Beneath the restless waves of the Atlantic and Caribbean, clinging to rocks where the tides breathe in and out, grows a plant that has carried both mystery and healing through generations: sea moss. It looks unassuming at first glance, a tangle of golden or purple strands swaying gently in saltwater currents. Yet within its delicate body lies a wealth of nourishment so profound that it earned the title the collagen of the ocean. For centuries, coastal peoples from Ireland to Jamaica harvested this humble seaweed, drying it in the sun, boiling it into soups, or blending it into tonics to strengthen the body during times of scarcity and sickness. In the Irish Potato Famine of the 19th century, it became a food of survival, helping families endure when the land could no longer provide. In the Caribbean, elders still prepare it in drinks mixed with milk, spices, or honey, not only as sustenance but as a tonic for vitality and stamina. But what exactly makes this ocean gift so powerful? Science today confirms what tradition already knew. Sea moss is an extraordinary mineral storehouse, containing 92 of the 102 essential minerals our bodies need to function. Calcium for bones, iodine for thyroid health, potassium for muscles, iron for blood, magnesium for nerves. This single sea plant carries a spectrum of nutrition rarely matched by any land-grown food. Its nickname, ocean's collagen, comes from its natural gel-like consistency, which forms when the moss is soaked or boiled. This gel is not only a culinary thickener, but also a powerful healer for skin, joints, and connective tissue, making it beloved in the worlds of natural beauty and wellness. Applied topically, it soothes dryness and promotes elasticity. While consumed internally, it supports tissue repair and slows visible signs of aging. Athletes turn to sea moss to replenish minerals lost through sweat and to speed recovery after strenuous training. Its iodine content regulates metabolism and supports thyroid balance, crucial for energy, weight control, and hormonal stability. For those struggling with digestion, its natural prebiotic fibers feed healthy gut bacteria, calming the stomach and improving nutrient absorption. In a time when immunity is more precious than ever, sea moss offers zinc, vitamin C, and antioxidants that strengthen the body's defense system. Some even call it a natural antiviral, a protective shield from the ocean itself. Its iron-rich profile makes it especially valuable for those fighting fatigue or anemia, delivering oxygen more efficiently through the bloodstream. Yet, like all gifts of nature, sea moss carries both power and caution. Taken in moderation, it heals. Taken excessively, its high iodine levels can overstimulate the thyroid, leading to imbalance. That is why healers advise treating it not as a casual supplement, but as a respected ally. Used thoughtfully, not endlessly. Sea moss today has moved far beyond coastal villages. It has become a global phenomenon, blended into smoothies, capsules, gels, and even skin serums across the wellness industry. Celebrities, herbalists, and health enthusiasts praise it as the ultimate superfood of the sea, sparking a modern revival of an ancient tradition. Still, the most authentic experience remains the simplest: a handful of dried sea moss, soaked in water until it blooms, then transformed into a smooth, nourishing gel that can be added to nearly anything. With every spoonful, you taste both the salt of the ocean and the wisdom of generations who never doubted its power. Beyond human health, sea moss also plays a role in sustaining the ecosystem. By clinging to rocks and absorbing nutrients from the sea, it filters the water, creates microhabitats, and contributes to the ocean's natural balance. It is both a food and a protector, a thread in the greater web of life. The story of sea moss is not just about nutrition, it is about resilience. It reminds us that survival often comes not from grandeur, but from humble gifts hidden in unlikely places. From famine to wellness trends, from storm-tossed shores to modern kitchens, it has endured as a symbol of strength and healing drawn directly from the sea. To eat sea moss is to connect with both ancient knowledge and living oceans. It is to honor a plant that sustained the poor, healed the sick, strengthened the weary, and continues to offer vitality in a world still searching for balance. This golden strand, this emerald of the tide pools, truly deserves its name: the ocean's collagen treasure. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this delicious journey through the world's most powerful and fascinating foods.